Hi everybody, this is Josh with Resort TV1, and tonight I'm taking you on a full ride on Mr. Toad's Wild Ride in 4K 60. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Also be sure to check out our awesome sponsors, Mickey Blog and MickeyTravels.com, also the Funk Collection, Realty in Orlando.com, and finally David's DVC Rentals, DVCRequest.com/TV. Alright, let's go ride this thing.
Watch your children and do try to drive more carefully than Toad. Tata. Bienvenido a Dog Home. Para su seguridad, por favor permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y por favor, cuide a los pequeños. Esperamos que disfruten de la inside. And do supervise your tour. Have a jolly good ride. Su vehículo está por llegar. Para disfrutar de un paseo seguro, por favor permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y por favor, cuide a los pequeños. Chao. I believe that Molly is fetching your motor car down. To ensure your safety while moving, please remain seated.
Well, that's all for now for this 4K 60 video of Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, And follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. All right, everybody. That's all for now. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.